Sort of moved this one, and of course it took out and brought that one down behind us.
Yeah. Oh.
Because it pivoted here on this thing.
That popped out.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Oh no! What was that weird noise? What was that? Oh no!
Well, we may be working on this longer than we thought today. I was driving in here, and there's so much stuff buried under the ground. I clipped that, and I think it went right through the sidewall of my nice Yokohama retreads, which ain't cool. I don't even have a spare with me. Yeah, we do. Oh yeah. It's bad.
Oh,
That's unfortunate.
oh no!
Very unfortunate. All right.
Oh.
Well, like you can see, we're back here at the Buick for part 3 of this video. Things are going great. We already got ourselves a flat tire getting in here, but we are going to do our darndest to get this thing running. We got a good set of used Bosch spark plugs to throw in. We got ourselves a boat tank to actually try and get some fuel in the carb, and we got our battery, spare tire. Crank. Okay, we're gonna have to give our battery a little break. We got close there. Probably fed her a little too much fuel. But luckily it's really wet out here, so if we did you know, have too much of a fireball there, it wouldn't go very far. So I guess we're gonna hook our booster, the truck back up, charge the battery a bit here, and then we'll go again. We had one spark plug wire that the wire was pulled out and wasn't even in the cap. Ooh, getting there. Ooh. Well, thanks Lauren for bringing us a spare tire. I also grabbed a transmission dipstick. Why don't we shove that in there? We'll see if there's anything in this tranny. A little dark down here.
A little bit.
We're doing this after lunch instead of before lunch today, so the lighting's a little different. Yeah, that's the bottom. What do we got? Bone dry?
Hey!
Oh! Ew.
Oh.
We cried, but there's some decent looking fluid on there. Probably not enough, but
At least we know it's not dry.
yeah. Okay, well, let's give this another try, Dad. Wow, it sucked in a lot of this fuel, Dad.
Yeah.
It's got to be right flooded. This can is like almost empty.
Oh!
Hey guys, so we're having a few issues right now. It's not firing at all, and I noticed about 1.5 liters or maybe even 2 liters of gas disappeared out of my jerry can. So I think it sucked it in and just soaked the thing down. So we're gonna let her dry, and I think what I'm gonna do is drive over there across this little valley, and we're gonna winch it sideways, get her moved over so that we can get a tow rope on it, and then we'll try and drag her out of here, at least as far as we can get. And there's still some snow, right? So
Is this thing filming right now?
It is.
Ouch.
That's how it's called.
you know someone's gonna yell at us for not having a winch bag, you know, for our cable.
Your rope would have been in better shape if you looked after it, eh?
I found that thing somewhere.
Got a console shift.
So we're all 4 wheels turning?
No. The
No?
back wheels didn't move.
Oh.
So I was just trying to see if I could move the shift. It rushed it.
Yeah. Wonder about a park brake. It would be a foot pedal, and it doesn't look pressed.
No. Ready when you are.
Hit it.
That was definitely the issue. So what you doing there, Steve?
Well, I'm just looking at this shifter, and you said you couldn't move it.
No, it's right there, amongst all those weeds.
Is there? I guess there's no push button on these, hey?
Well, I was thinking that bar comes up and unlocks it. That's kind of how those used to work in the day.
Maybe. There we go. Just all this glass in here. It's kinda sketchy.
Yeah. And you don't have any gloves on.
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, there it is.
Okay, it's in park.
Okay,
Definitely.
that's why. And if that moves, that would be...
I need to pry up on that button. Oh yeah.
No.
Yeah, there we go.
No way.
So, somewhere around there should be neutral.
Oh.
It's hard to say.
Well, hang on.
I have an actual indicator. But reverse neutral. Reverse neutral. I think that's neutral right there.
Right there.
Yeah, well, we're slowly getting closer. We flooded the heck out of it with that boat tank and the needle and seat.
Oh, yeah.
Stuck. So, yeah, I say we see if she rolls now, and we'll see if we can just move the car. Yeah. Here, Lauren, you can be video guy again. Still going.
Alrighty. Well, it ought to roll a little better now, eh?
Hope so. So what I'm thinking I'll do is winch it up close, then we'll unlock it, I'll back up, and we'll just keep winching. There's another spray can. Oh, there's a good piece of trim there. Here's that chunk of wood the rear end was sitting on. We got a M&M wrapper. This is pretty old. The other thing I wonder is if the exhaust is plugged.
It's definitely breathing. I can't guarantee there isn't a bit of congestion in there, but it's breathing.
Yeah, we're starting to plow some dirt, hey? The batteries are getting pretty weak in the cruiser there. We got to give it a bit of time to charge up. She'll plow through this. Oh yeah.
Might as well hit starter.
Yeah, I don't know where our little thing of gas is. Oh, it's right here. Yeah, I guess we could. Ready?
Yeah.
Well, should we hit the starter again? We're getting a good look under there now, eh?
Tailpipe.
Uh-huh. Boy, they ought to really thank us for smoothing out their road. Took the whole pile right off. Well, this car's a lot lower. There's full 2 flat tires on this side, right?
That's what's going on.
Yeah.
And it seems like the spring's broke.
Could be. Hey, let's hit the starter again.
All right.
We're so close. Oh yeah. Yep. Alright guys, well we plumb run out of daylight here. I gotta get home for dinner. The wife's calling. I got a meeting at church, but we're darn near all the way up the hill. We just had this last little bit. We were running out of winch juice and we're getting stuck and it's slippery. But I think next time we'll get her on a trailer. We'll get her home.
We'll see you next time.
And we'll make a run. Be sure to come on back next time for part 4.